Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about something that a lot of people have been asking me about: how to start a successful blog. Starting a blog can be a great way to express your creativity, build your brand, or even make some extra money. But where to start and to make money from your blog? In this video, I'll be giving you a step-by-step guide on how to start a successful blog and make passive income. Step 1. Decide your blog niche. The first step is starting a blog. To decide on your blog niche, this means that you need to choose what your blog will be about. It's important to choose a niche that you are passionate about, that you have a lot of knowledge about. This will help you create quality content that your reader will love. Here are the top 10 blog niches. Number 1 is travel. Number 2 is food. Number 3 is fashion. And the number 4 is health and wellness. Number 5 is personal finance. Number 6 is technology. And the number 7 is beauty. Number 8 is parenting. Number 9 is fitness. And the number 10 is home improvement. And step 2, choose your blog platform. Once you have decided your blog niche, it's time to choose your blogging platform. There are a lot of different platforms to choose from, but some are most popular, including Blogger and Wix and WordPress. Do some research and choose platform that best for you and your need. But my recommendation is WordPress. Step 3, pick your domain name and hosting. Next, you will need to pick your domain name and hosting provider. Your domain name is your blog address on internet. So it is important to choose a name that is easy to remember and easy to spell. Your hosting provider will host your blog on their servers. So choose a reliable provider with good customer service. But my recommendation is Hostinger. Hostinger will give you a free domain with hosting, link in description. Step 4, set up your blog. Know that you have chosen your niche, your platform, and your domain name and your hosting provider. It's time to set up your blog. This involves installing your blog platforms, customize your themes, and adding your plugins and widgets. Make sure your blog is easy to navigate and visual appealing. I will set up your blog for free if you buy hosting from Hostinger by following the link in description. Step 5 is create great content. The most important part of starting a successful blog is creating great content. This means writing blog posts that are informative, engaging, and entertaining. Try to write posts that are useful to your readers and that provides value to them. Use images, videos to make your post more visual appealing. Step 6, promote your blog. Once you have created great content, it's time to promote your blog. Share your post on social media, email your subscribers, and engage with other bloggers in your niche. This will help you build an audience and grow your blog. Step 7, monetize your blog. Finally, once you have built an audience and established your blog, you can start monetizing it. This can include using ads, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or selling your own products or services. Choose a monetized method or multiple that is right for your blog and your audience. And the funnel. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide how to start a successful blog. Remember, starting a blog takes time, effort, but with the right strategies and mindset, you can make a successful blog that you're proud of. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one.